Hello world! This is one of the photos you like the most this past week on Facebook and Instagram over at Mode Zero Official. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. This is a photo from a recent gig I played at with Beat Engine machines in Italy. The event is called Depuratore. It's a really nice event and I filmed additional content that I'm planning to release since you seem to be interested in it. The whole Beat Engine team was there, Mattia Cardinal of course, who builds these amazing machines and who turned out to be also a pretty good cameraman. Alice aka Alice delle Bottiglie with her dance performance, Miss Peralta with her makeup, and of course me and Omar playing the live set. This was an hour-long show and we divided it in 4 segments. We have it all filmed, it's all in the can, and the full video is in the making. I will release the 4 parts as soon as I move on with the editing, starting with part 1, which will be released next Friday. But meanwhile, here's a little sneak peek. Remember, I release new videos based on the projects I'm working on, but also on the content you like the most over at Mode Zero Official on Facebook and Instagram. So like your favorite photos and content, and I will share with you the story behind them in new videos that I will publish on this channel. Please subscribe if you didn't yet, and stay tuned.